friends, once again welcome back to Active Education Pro. Once again I come back with an interesting topic, how to find square of any numbers. So let's start to find square. As you know, it is very important for competitive exam, and you know very well from 1 to 20 you will keep it in your mind, but after 20 you feel some problem when you have to find any square of any number, that to be within a frequency of second. So now I tell you how to find square of any number, 2-digit number or 3-digit number within a frequency of second. So let's start. First take an example. Suppose to find out square of 34. Here first you take a 2-digit number 34. So you need to take a 3 part. As you know, there was a equation, there is a method, formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So here these are the 3 parts. Here a is 3 and b is 4. So first at the right side this is b square. So here b is 4, 4 square is 16 and 3 is a. Here a square is 9, and then the remaining part, the middle part is 2ab. Here 2ab means 2. This 2 is its power. So 3 into 4 into 2. Here 3 into 4 into 2. This one is 9. 3 4 is 12, 2 is 24, and this one is 16. And right now are the unit place. So here unit place is 6. From right side, first try the unit plus 6, and this one left over from this part, the right part, add to the middle part. 24 plus 1 is 25. So write the unit place of this middle part. Again I repeat it, always write the unit place. Here 16, 6 is the unit part, unit position. Then remaining left over 1 added to the middle part. 24 plus 1 is 25. Here from 25, 5 is the unit position, unit part. Then here 2 is left over, and then add to the left side part. So here 9 plus 2 is 11. Again I repeat it, this 1 is added to 24, become 25. This unit place right here, and again this 2 is added to 9, and this is written here 11. So here 34, square of 34 is 11. 1156. Again another number you can verify. So let's take 78, square of 78, and you know very well this is 7 square, and the middle position is 7 into 8 into 2, and the right part is 8 square, square of 8. And here is 49. 7 8 are 56, 56 2 are 112, and square of 8 is 64. So now write the unit part from right side. Here 4, then 6 added to 112, it will become 118. 118. So here this is the unit part, right here the unit part. Then 11 added to 49. 11 added to 49, and it become 60. 6084 is the square of 78. Now let's take a 3-digit number. This is 134. Suppose take another 3-digit number. This is 134, square of 134. And here when you take a 3-digit number, so the right part, the unit position, takes as B, and the remaining part takes as A. Means here A is 13 and 4 is the B part. So here 13 square, the first part, the left side part is 13 square. Then the middle part is 13 into 4 into 2, and the right hand part is square of 4. So here as you know, square of 13 is 169, and then 13 4 is 52, 52 is 104, and 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. Square of 4 is 16. And now are the unit digit places. 6, then 1 left over from right side, added to the middle position, added to the middle part. 104 plus 1 is 105. this is the unit place. So write here 5, then 10 added to the left hand part. This is 169 plus 10 is 179. So the square of 134 is 17,956. If there is another number, this is 399, square of 399. So here you have to take this 39 as a, so here 39 square, and then 39 into 9 into 2, and the left hand part is 9 square. Here we don't know the value of this part, 39 square. So similarly you have to do like this, 39 square, square of 39 is 3 square, 3 into 9 into 2 into 9 square. Okay, here 9, 3 9s are 27, 27 2s are 54, and this one is 81. The left hand part is square of 9 is 81. And now add the unit digit places. 1, this 8 left over comes to the middle part and added with it. 54 plus 8 is 62. 2, then here is 6, 6 added with this 9 is 50. So 1521. This is 1521 and this is 81. 39 9s are 351, and then 351 2s are 702. Now add the unit digit places. This is 1 and 8 added to it. This is 710. 710, so 0 is a unit place. And again 71 added to it, 2915. This is 1,59,201. This is the square of 399. So as per this formula, just first find out the A and B, and then make 3 segments, 3 part, and fill the part and add the unit digit places and leftover, then add it to the left side position. Means from this leftover 8 added to the middle part, then from this part if there is any leftover number, then add it to the left hand part. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comments on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.